And this is what it's like to live on Boracay. We're currently staying in a 3-story villa. This is kind of like a duplex villa. There's 2 allotments, and you can see next door it actually has a really nice gate. So that's the villa next door. Very, very nice entry. I've always dreamed of having an entry like with a Balinese door, like a temple style door like that. So yeah, this is the villa we're staying in. Bit of a tour. So just staying at a friend's house. Knock up the door. Some beautiful flowers and things around. Wildlife and plant life. Nicely manicured gardens here. Yeah, it's lovely what they've done. We've got downstairs, separate living, so you've got actually separate, 2 separate kind of granny flats here, 1 and 2, where my mates are currently staying, and then the backyard. Yeah, beautiful plant life here and wildlife. We actually saw a snake, so yeah, there is a bit of wildlife. You do need to be careful and tread lightly. There's a big yard here, so lots of land to develop the property actually. Fruit bearing trees, and really live off the land here. Go down to the beach, secure wall. You know, it's good to be private and safe. And this is the villa from the back. So you can see here, that's the villa. And it's definitely sizable. I'm not going to go there, but just to the right, that's kind of like a separate granny flat as well for the caretaker who lives here on site. And he's a lovely gent. Nice entry. You can see the stairs here. So I'm just walking up. And this is the stairs. And a bit of a landing here. Nice place to sit actually, and just relax and think about life, or not think about life. Yeah, so that's it. Sitting in the corner here with a nice outlook. Beautiful palm tree bearing coconuts. Alright, so this is the living room. Nice living room. Just turn on the light here quickly. And a big balcony. Nice big deck. And you can see, and I mentioned this on a previous vlog, the beautiful marble floors. I believe the marble's from Romblon. So there you go. In the background you can see other villas in foothills nestled there. So a few birds too flying around. Across the way also you can see a pool, so they're fortunate enough that they've got a nice big modern pool with the villa next door. And this is the deck, so just giving you a good look at the bottom deck. There are actually 2 decks. The villa's at the top, and this actually looks over, these villas here, they look over station 1 and 2. Got a phenomenal view. They're very, very lucky indeed. And that's the dining. And what I like about it is, you don't really need air conditioning because you've got these sliding doors, these windows, right? Lots of windows. You can open the windows up and get nice fresh air. Not much wind at the moment, but yesterday we were getting a lot of wind. That's the kitchen there with my mate. Don't want to bother him. A couple of bar stools to just hang out and chill out, have a couple of drinks. And again, you can see the living room. Beautiful marble. Love it. So you've got a bathroom in there. Big pantry. Alright, before we go upstairs, just going to show you a little bit downstairs. Like I said, it's kind of like 2 separate granny flat. And you've got the marble goes all throughout the house. I think my mate Matt You can see more of this marble down here. G'day Matt, how you going?
Cheers, guys.
You get lucky last night, mate?
No, man.
Don't lie. Don't lie. No, I don't think he did actually. I think he was dreaming. So yeah, all the bathrooms, there are 3 bathrooms and they all look like this, again with marble. It's really making me think I need to take a trip to Romblon and deck my house out with marble. Really nice, really nice. And behind that wall there, that's where the caretaker lives, so that's a separate kind of granny flat as well. So there's really is about 3 granny flats. So this is one. I won't go too much into detail because it's John's private room. But there you go, that's one. And this is 2, which is Maddie's room. Yeah, decent sized room, big cupboard, and again, like I was saying, you got a view, you've got windows out to the yard, and actually this comes out on its own deck as well, which is covered due to the other balcony. So there really are 1 courtyard and 2 decks, 2 terrace decks. So this is nice. I mean, nice little granny flat courtyard, definitely nice. Alright, and we'll walk upstairs now. Check this out. Let's keep climbing the stairs here. And what I like about this, before we go in, got windows like this. Lots of natural light. That's always great. You can see, again, a few more villas in the foothills here. I like this smaller one here, which is kind of like a Balinese style. And you can get a bit of a better glimpse of the one next door. Alrighty, so cleaned up a little bit for you guys. This is my place, this is the master. Big high ceilings, love those high ceilings. Huge room and windows all around, so you get a view all the way around here. And then of course, the balcony, this terrace, just unreal. Check this out. It is a bit overcast today, but you can still see in the background there the ocean. Beautiful ocean views here. Yeah, it's heaven, really, really heaven. This is kind of like the dream, living the dream. I know it's my dream to live in something like this, overlooking the ocean, hop, skip and a jump from the beach. See the villas there a bit better. And yeah, this is just a huge terrace. I don't have a measuring tape with me, but how many meters would this be? This would have to be like 5 meters or something, surely. And width, maybe even 6. It's huge. And behind us, there are a few other villas being built at the moment. So one to the left, one in the middle that looks like it's pretty much complete, and the one to the right. So, people haven't stopped building homes and, building the Boracay beach dream. It's definitely still a reality for some. Alright, we're headed back inside now. And just look at that high ceiling again and the fan. Bloody well awesome. So I'll just quickly show you, and you've got the window at the back there too. But lots of space in here, lots of space. Big walk-in robe. Alright, which is really cool. For the ladies that love their shoes, this would be perfect for them. And then again, the last part I just want to show you is the bathroom, which again, this is the master ensuite with a few windows. And it was nice just to wake up and in the morning get lots of light, open this up and get lots of air.